Okay, so guys, this is Vlogmas day 4, and in this day 4 Vlogmas day on how to make money online before Christmas, I'm going to be talking about how to start walking dog and earn money. Okay, so these two powerful websites I'm going to be sharing with you inside this video is going to allow you to start earning money right now from walking dog. If your landlord allows you, maybe you rent and all of those things, so all those things are still there. I'm going to be sharing all that in this video. So but before I get started with the video right now, all you need to do right now is to go down in the comment section below and ask me any question whatsoever. Okay, ask me any question whatsoever, and don't forget to click the red button below also and subscribe for more videos like this on this channel, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up also. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes right now. And without further ado, this is Vlogmas days. You need to subscribe, man, because this is a series that is going to be lasting for 25 days from the beginning of January, from the beginning of December to 25th of December, man. Though when we get there, I cannot decide if I want to extend these, but make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any video that I drop before the Christmas day. So let's get into the two websites that is going to allow you to start walking dog right now and start earning money from the comfort of your home right now. Okay, so the number one website that is going to allow you to start earning money from walking dog is called Rover. Just go type it on your Google right now, type Rover, and you see the site. Just click on it. Maybe I'll put the link right here. So I'll try and put the link right beside me right now so you can see it. Go to the site, just sign up. It's as simple as you just signing up for signing up on a social media account, just the same way you sign up on Facebook, on Twitter. It's as simple as that. Just sign up and start getting ready, working for them and all that. It's that simple. And the number two website is called WAG. Is spelled W-A-G, WAG. That's the number two website that is going to allow you to start making money just by signing up for dog walking right now. Right from, you can decide to even have a sleep. You can decide to have a sleep over. The dog can sleep over in your place, or you can even bring the dog to your house, or whatever way you want to do it. All these options are in the site, man. Just sign up. It's the same way. It's as simple as ABC. Just like the same way you sign up on your social media, it's the same way you can sign up for this site, and they start giving you option. You pick your hour, you pick the hours you want to walk. Once your hour is picked, they give you come in, pick the dog, and it's as simple as that. So these are the best two websites that can allow you to start walking a dog right now and start making money from before Christmas day. So what the amount you can make, I can't really talk about that because it depends on the time you put into walking. The time, you get what I'm saying? The time you put into the walk is going to determine by the amount of money that you're going to make before Christmas. So the more time you put, the more money you make before Christmas day. So that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, make sure you comment down below this video, and I'll respond to all your comments and I'll get back to you. I'll see you guys on the next one, man. Peace, and I'm out.